In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best angle grinders available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the angle grinders list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the angle grinders mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. RDDSPON HK AG125 Angle Grinder. The RDDSPON HK AG125 is a 220V electric angle grinder with a robust 1050W brushed motor, ideal for cutting and grinding metal with precision. Featuring a 125mm disc and 14mm bore diameter, it offers 6 variable speeds ranging from 3000 to 10,000 RPM, giving you full control for different materials. The toolless guard design makes disc changes quick and safe. Weighing just 2 kilograms, it's easy to maneuver, making it perfect for home DIY users who need power and flexibility without sacrificing comfort. Number 4. NEWBENY 125mm Cordless Grinder. The NEWBENY 125mm Brushless Cordless Angle Grinder combines portability with power, making it ideal for both cutting and polishing tasks. Equipped with 3-speed gears and a high-performance 1000W motor, it delivers up to 10,000 RPM. Compatible with Makita batteries, it's a perfect choice for those who want cordless freedom. The variable speed control ensures precision across different materials, and the lightweight build reduces fatigue, making it great for long DIY sessions or quick repairs. Number 3. TUNGFULL 220V Mini Grinder. The TUNGFULL 220V Mini Electric Angle Grinder is designed for versatility, handling polishing, grinding, and cutting tasks with ease. Its powerful motor delivers up to 14,000 RPM, making it suitable for tiles, wood, stone, and steel. Compact and easy to handle, it's perfect for tight spaces and detailed work. The grinder's grinding disc setup ensures smooth operation, while the sturdy construction provides durability for long-term use. An excellent choice for home projects requiring both speed and precision. Number 2. SEESII 21V Brushless Grinder. The SEESII 21V Brushless Angle Grinder offers cordless convenience with a powerful brushless motor delivering up to 10,000 RPM. Designed for cutting and polishing, it features a 125mm disc, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it's a practical choice for users with existing tools in that range. The brushless motor provides better efficiency, longer tool life, and less maintenance. Lightweight yet powerful, it's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professional-level tasks. Number 1. RDDSPON J7-125 Cordless Grinder. The RDDSPON J7-125 is a brushless cordless angle grinder built for demanding cutting and grinding jobs. With a rated input power of 1280W and variable speed control, it reaches up to 9,000 RPM for precise results. Featuring a 125mm cutting disc and compatibility with Makita 18V, 21V batteries, it's both powerful and convenient. The ergonomic design and lightweight 1.75 kg body make it easy to handle. Ideal for home DIY or professional use, it offers reliable performance with reduced noise and vibration.